The world is changed. I feel it in the water. I feel it in the earth. I smell it in the air. Much that once was is lost, for none now live who remember it.
Long ago and far, far away in Middle-earth, the world was growing steadily less stable, so much so that an equation of the world started to form. The problem is, the key to solving this equation was lost. The equation was an integral, and the key was the dx.
I don't know how she expects us to know all this algebra and calculus. I mean, I've been sitting here for like 3 hours and I haven't done anything. Oh wait, what's that? Let me go. You're late.
A teacher is never late. They arrive precisely when they mean to.
Gandalf, you're so cute.
I'm actually here to talk to your uncle. I stumbled upon a tough equation that even I may have trouble solving, and I know your uncle has the dx that is crucial to get rid of.
Well, he's right over here. I don't want to do calculus, it's too hard. I don't know anything.
All you need to do is put it in the yellow folder.
How about you put your work in the yellow folder?
Bilbo Baggins, the yellow folder has been passed down from math teacher to math teacher. Just leave your dx in the folder.
Oh, Gandalf, I'm so sorry.
Come now, Bilbo. Give the dx to Frodo. It needs to be removed.
Yes, I must give the du to Frodo, so that he can solve it, so that you can solve it. Alright, I'm off.
The dx. It's still in your pocket.
Frodo, come show all of us the dx. Now we have figured out from the inscription on the dx that the equation is f of x is equal to the integral of 3x squared plus the square root of x minus 2 sine of 2x plus 9001. From there, we all know that you can split up the integral into its separate integral parts, leaving the integral of 3x squared plus the integral of the square root of x minus the integral of 2 sine 2 of x plus the integral of 9001. Now, does anyone have anything else to add? Fine, I'll do the first one. For the integral of 3x squared, you have to take the coefficient 3 and pull it out front. You then get 3 times the integral of x squared dx.
And then you add 1 to the exponent, and the reciprocal of that becomes your new coefficient. You then multiply the old coefficient by the new coefficient, and you get your answer, which is x to the third.
When taking the integral of the square root of x, the first step is that you take the square root of x and switch it to x to the power of 1/2. Then you follow the integration rule of u to the n. The u is the x, the n is the 1/2. U to the n turns into u to the n plus 1, all divided by n plus 1. Therefore, x to the 1/2 turns into x to the 3/2 divided by 3/2, which then turns into 2x to the 3/2, all divided by 3. When taking the integral of 2 times the sine of 2x times dx, the first step one has to do is use the rule of u substitution. The 2x can be replaced with a u, and the 2 times the dx can be replaced with a du. Therefore, the equation can be rewritten as the integral of the sine of u times du. Then, using your easy and convenient trig rules, the sine of u is the derivative of negative cosine of u. Therefore, the integral of the sine of u is negative cosine of u, which can then be rewritten as the negative cosine of 2x when you resubstitute the 2x back in for u.
Oh, Mr. Frodo, we've come to the end of our journey. There's only one thing we have to do left. That's solve the integral of 9001 dx. Now the first step what we have to do is take the 9001, the coefficient, and put it in front of the integral. So that means that we have 9001, the integral of dx. And the integral of dx is easy. It's x. So we have as our final answer 9001x. Now that's it, Mr. Frodo. All we have to do now is go and get rid of the final dx. It's right up this hill. Here, I'll carry you. Okay, now throw it in the lava. No! Yes. Okay.
Flawless victory.
That leaves our final equation to be f of x is equal to x to the third plus 2x to the 3/2 over 3 minus the cosine of 2x plus 9001x.
It's over 9,000!